Hi guys, I'm currently at Homegoods and they are currently taking out their Halloween stuff. How exciting is this? Look at these glasses with the skull hands. These are $7.99. They have this adorable fog and this one is $7.99 and it's ceramic. They have a couple of pumpkins out. Like these blue ones down here. These are from Martha Stewart. And this one's $16.99. These pumpkins are kind of funny, but they're cute. Let's see how much these are. These are $14.99. And they have the velvet pumpkins. This one's so pretty. This one's $14.99. I am liking the sign that says Pumpkin Patch, Homegrown Harvest. This one's so cute. And this one is $12.99. This wreath is so pretty. It has some velvet pumpkins, some orange roses. Also has a creepy glittery spider. We have one down here and this one says Trick or Treat. These kind of remind me of those floral arrangements or wreaths from Michael's. They have some garlands. They have these little lanterns and one says trick in the middle or and treat. So trick or treat, and these are $20 and they do light up, which makes it so cute. Oh, they also have one that says welcome friends, harvest wishes and pumpkins and thankful for us. These are so adorable for Thanksgiving. They have some pumpkins and these are velvet too. Let me move this camera. They have this fuchsia one and this gray and blue one. Cutest pale buckets with the jack-o'-lantern face. These are so pretty. This one is $6.99 and the big one's $9.99. And you could put some string lights in this and it'll be nice and lit up. And I like this sign that says Happy Halloween with the two ghosts. They also have this sign that says Halloween and the elves are the little witch feet. Look, they have a little gnome kit. I mean, this is not my style, but look at the gnome. It's cute and it has a cute garland. This is $20. This one's so gorgeous. This one's huge. This one's $14.99. They have a lot of lanterns right now. They have this one with the Martha Stewart. I think they had this one last year. I'm loving this pumpkin. This is so Halloween, guys. I love the stars on it. Let me see how much this is. These are $9.99 and they're really pretty good size. Oh look, I found another gnome kit and this one's in purple. I found a 10-piece 2-tier spice rack and this is so darn cute. Look, this is so adorable. This is $19.99. I found the cutest teapot and I'm gonna bring this home with me. This one is $7.99. I'm super excited. I've been trying to find a teapot in the longest. I was debating on this one or that one, but I think this one's a little bigger, so I'm going to take that one. And I also spotted the cutest little cup mug. It says sausage dog. How adorable is this? They also have some bee ones. So busy bee, as busy as a bee. How adorable. Yes, I'm obsessed with dish towels. You guys should know by that. And look at this one with the Black Hat Tavern. And they have the little witches partying it up. Come in for a scare. And I like this side right here with the plaid. They have a witch with some pumpkins, the little bat ones. Ooh, I like this one with the cat. They have this one that says drink up witches with the little cocktail. You say witch like it's a bad thing. This one's so adorable. They have one with the black cat wearing a witch hat and it says Hocus Pocus. I can't wait to start watching that movie. Oh, this one's so cute. It's a pink ghost and it says boo. Oh, this is so adorable. Look, one is wearing a witch hat, pumpkin spice and everything nice because it is. Look, they have the little gnome Halloween pillows. Whoever likes gnomes. They also have an adorable pillow with the buffalo check and the pumpkin, and it has a little tag with the leaf that says thankful. So they even have a lot of dog toys, like this little crocodile is so adorable. They have a lot in stock right now. And I think I saw that they have some Halloween ones, so let's go and check those out. See, they have this little pumpkin. They have these little squeaky buddies, a little cat, a pumpkin, and a little Frankenstein. These are the perfect toys for small dogs. And these are 3 toys, and they're in the price of $6.99. Ooh, look, they have a little trick or treat poison dispenser. So adorable. Little potion bottle. I like it. I even like the color on this too. Ooh, they have a donut pumpkin. Ooh, and candy corn. They even have some apple slices. I think the lady will love these, especially because she loves fruit a lot. And I noticed they even have some sweet potato ones, and these are $9.99. Hey guys, so I am at TJ Maxx and I'm excited because they have all their coffee stuff out. If you guys want to be a barista, here is the place to be. Look, they have this pumpkin trio one. They have a pumpkin cheesecake, pumpkin caramel, and let's see the third one. Pumpkin spice. This one's $6.99. I think this would be so great as a gift also. Like they even have a Hocus Pocus coffee to focus pumpkin pecan. This looks like it would taste delicious. They even have pumpkin spice with foaming topping. This one's $4.49. Oh look, they have another pumpkin spice. Guys, they even have like K-cups. They have so much. Look, they have a little stand for mugs. They have a pumpkin cinnamon roll one. They have a maple bourbon pecan. And this one's pumpkin caramel. These are $3.99. They have the same exact ones at Homegoods. So they have 2 different ones. And the one on the left is the fall dessert trio, and the one on the right is a pumpkin trio. And this one has pumpkin caramel scone, maple donut, and pumpkin cinnamon roll. For some reason, I feel like I just keep saying pumpkin and pumpkin. But these are so cute. They even have one for the Keurigs. If you guys have one, these are from Dunkin' Donuts. These are the cinnamon coffee rolls. And they come in a pack of 16. And these are $7.99. They have a pumpkin spice one with 18 cups. And these are $6.99 too. They have a variety, guys. They even have those little coffee pots, reusable ones. They also have this one, the vanilla nut cream. They had this one last year, but I got the one in pumpkin spice. And this one is Fall in Love with Ground Coffee. Yes, of course. They also have this one that says Vermont Maple Grove. I spotted some Snoopy cups. This one says Be Thankful with Woodstock. A Snoopy one on his house that says Be Kind. Oh, he has a little turkey on his dog bowl. And a Be Giving one. And this one probably says, I don't know, I can't really read it. And this one comes with the coasters. So that's pretty cool. $14.99. Not bad. I'm a big Snoopy fan if you guys wanted to know. Okay, so they don't have that much Halloween stuff right now, but they have a lot of Halloween dog toys. And these are so freaking cute. So they have this one for $4.99 and it has 3 squeaker toys, which is a good deal. They have a little candy corn, a ghost, and a cute bat. They have a pumpkin one, but this one does not squeak, so Lady usually likes the ones that squeak or crinkle a lot. They have a huge donut. They have this scarecrow pumpkin looking fella over here. You have another donut one, but this one's in Frankenstein. They have a pumpkin one back there. Ooh, they have this one. This one's adorable. There's 3 pumpkins in there with different faces. They have some spooky birds in costumes. Oh, they have the candy corn ones. How adorable. Hi guys, so yesterday I went to TJ Maxx and I ended up buying 2 of the coffees. I just couldn't resist. I got the one in Hocus Pocus, I Need Coffee to Focus. I like how there's a black cat, and this is the flavor of pumpkin pecan. This is my first time trying this and I'm super excited. The next one is the Farm Stand Pumpkin Spice. And I just love pumpkin spice in general, so I'm very happy I picked this one up and I'm gonna try it out today. I also wanted to mention the teapot I got at Homegoods. Yesterday I was so excited that I found a teapot. I've been in the hunt for trying to find a cute one and a simple one, and I'm happy that I found one. And this one was very affordable. It's $7.99. And I love the little design on it, and I just love how simple it looks. Even though I already did a fall haul, I forgot to mention this cute wallflower plug. This one is a $14.50. It's from Bath and Body Works, of course. And this is how the lantern looks on the side. I think it's very pretty, and I love the candle inside of it. I feel like Bath and Body Works always gets me with the new wallflower, so that's why I try to avoid and not buy as much. But I think this one you could use it throughout the whole year. And the fragrance on this one, I think it's Aloha Kiwi Kiss or Aloha Kiss. Don't take my word on it, but it's a summer fragrance.